Let's create a data frame of the total data. We can call this one the clean extracted data totals. As always, just copy-paste the upper part of a function into a new cell. Change the name and adjust the description. Use two parameters as inputs into this function: the dataset that we just extracted and a starting date. Add a return description as well. Also add a return description to the extracting data function. I have forgotten it there. This is good to add to be consistent. Also, if you ever need to hand these files over to someone else, the other person would then know what the functions are used for. Alright, we are ready to write the actual function. First, transform the dictionary data into a pandas data frame. Then use the ISO year and week again as the column headers. Each campaign has 5 rows, as you can see in our example below. The keys or rows are the metrics: impression, clicks, and spend, but also the start and end date. We don't need those 2 rows, so drop them. Also, as you can see in the dictionary below, the numbers of the metrics are in between quotes. So in the next step, we are changing them into floating type numeric data. Then we sum the values for each metric to get the totals data. Thus, our data frame does now have the totals data and the index for each row. We only need to add the column header. Do this in the return part of the function. We finally need to test this function. Make a print statement, use the clean extract data function with our dictionary as input 1 and starting date as input 2. Run it and we get our totals data in a familiar format.